Looking to achieve financial freedom and take control of your financial future? You're in the right place. In this article, we'll explore 5 proven strategies that can help you get on the path towards financial freedom. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, invest your money, or increase your income, we've got you covered. By the end of this article, you'll have a solid understanding of the steps you can take to achieve your financial goals and enjoy the freedom that comes with financial stability. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take control of your finances. Create a budget and stick to it. One of the best ways to achieve financial freedom is to create a budget that accounts for all of your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut costs and save money. Invest wisely. Investing your money can help you grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Research different investment options and choose ones that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Pay off debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving financial freedom. Make a plan to pay off your debts as quickly as possible, starting with high-interest debts like credit cards. Increase your income. Earning more money can help you achieve financial freedom faster. Consider ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle or asking for a raise at work. Live below your means. Living below your means means spending less than you earn. This can help you save more money and make progress towards your financial goals. Focus on cutting unnecessary expenses and finding ways to save money on everyday items. Congratulations on taking the first step towards achieving financial freedom. By implementing the strategies we've discussed in this article, you'll be well on your way towards taking control of your finances and achieving your financial goals. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and patience to reach your goals, but with persistence and dedication, you can make it happen. We hope you found this article helpful and informative, and we wish you all the best on your journey towards financial freedom. Also, be sure to subscribe for more and click on the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.